So today we will review SiteToolPro and also review that what type of features and benefits you will get in this software, and we also do demo review in this video. So kindly stay connected with me at the end, and if you little bit in a hurry, so my purchasable link plus my premium bonuses is waiting for you in the description box, so you can check it out. So let's get started. So SiteToolPro is the first to market one-click app where you can create a completely automated website tools in less than 1 minute. And you can instantly load 60 plus online free to use tool used on a daily basis in just a click. You can sell your visitors for your own products, or you can promote affiliate offers to them. You can place banner ads, generate income with the AdSense, and so much and so more. So let's quickly come on to the sales page and review that. So the ultimate web tool site builder to help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. So you will get 60 plus free internet tools that are useful and daily online activities. You can drive organic traffic in millions all day long. You will get PowerPoint to PDF, ISO to PNG, text to Slug, YouTube thumbnail downloader, and other such tools on your site in just a seconds. You can place banner ads at any strategic spots on the site. You can earn commission using affiliate marketing, as I've told. You can generate handsome income through affiliate marketing. You can place banner ads. You can also add some affiliate links on your website like ClickBank affiliate link, Amazon affiliate link. You can add any channel of affiliate marketing link. Then you will get free hosting and domain included. DFY blog builder with built-in 500 plus DFY content sources to drip feed your site every day. Complete in-depth video training. You will also get video training that how to use this software and what other stuff you will get. Then you will also get special bonuses. You will get 30 reseller license if you purchase today. So become an early bird today, and so much you will get. So if we come down below, you can see you can do all these things in just 3 steps. So in the first step, just log into SiteToolPro cloud-based app, as you can see in the GIF sample. Then in the second, you need to just enter your site name. Then in the step 3, watch as the app instantly creates a completely automated web tool site in less than 60 seconds. So here you can see a lot of tools you will get after creating your website. So if we come down below, we can see that what type of tools you will get in this software. So firstly, we can see online PDF tools. So all the tools needed to work with PDF files, easily convert to and from PDF in seconds. Firstly, PowerPoint to PDF, Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML to PDF, image to PDF. You will get image editing tools, create a favicon, flip an image or change the image type with a single click. All essential for image editing are available in one. So in these tools, you can convert ISO to PNG, ISO converter, image to base 64, base 64 to image, flip image, rotate image, JPG to SVG, JPG to PNG, then lot of stuff you can see. Then if we talk about text content tools, a complete set of text tools is now at your fingertips. Create dummy text, count words or change text classes. So you can convert text to slug, lorem ipsum generator, case converter, word counter, remove link breaks, text to binary, binary to text, and lot of stuff you can see. Then if we talk about website management tools, so you will get HTML decode, URL decode, HTML beautifier, JavaScript beautifier, JavaScript minifier, QR code generators. That's a lot of useful tools you will get. Then if we talk about other tools, so MD5 generator, what is my IP address lookup, color converter, string length, base 64 decode, password generator, YouTube thumbnail downloader, weight converter, length converter, temperature converter. Then as you can see, there are a lot of tools you will get. So let's quickly log into the SiteToolPro cloud-based app. So here you can see this is the app. I just sign up. Then as you can see, the app is loaded with 60 plus popular tools used on a daily basis. As you can see, this is the dashboard and features. As you can see, you can create your website with this feature. You need to just enter your site name, no hosting domain plus required. We also have WordPress themes, plugins, etc. So you want to build your web tool on your own domain. So as you can see, site has been created. So if we come on to the website settings, so as you can see, you can edit your site setting, add logos, contact email, social buttons, and so on and so more. So I'm going to choose a logo to attach here. So I just attach this logo here. Then as you can see, so you can save this website. Then if we come on to the blog creations, So you can also create your blogs. We also have auto blogging modules which will drip feed good blog posts for you every day. So here you can see, we just select the website and just find the DFI content source. So yeah, you can choose from our 500 DFI content sources or enter specific keywords. Right, so as you can see, the site has been created, our blog has been created. You can also manage all published blogs here. You can easily edit your post. So as you can see, this is a lot of options. You can add image also. Then if we come on to the manage articles or add your own blog also, just click over here. Then you can add here your blog. So now let's quickly visit a real web tool site created by SiteToolPro in 16 seconds. So here you can see the site is loaded with 60 plus popular tools which thousands to millions of people search for every time, every single month. So here you can see there are lots of features here. As you can see, the banners, affiliate marketing promotions banners, as you can see. So now let's quickly come on to the text to slug feature. So that just review that how it works. So if we copy the text here, then paste it into the blog, then just text to slug here, then whatever the result is, as you can see. So yeah, that's how it works. So if we talk about case converter, so if we check case converter, so here we paste the text and then uppercase. Then as you can see, all format is converted in the uppercase. Then if we talk about binary tools, converted tools, and lot of tools is here. Then if I choose rotate image, so I just pick and drop our image in the website. Then suddenly I choose this pick and just rotate in 90 degrees. So as you can see, image has been rotated 90 degrees. Then if we come on to the JPG to PNG converter, then I choose an image that, I choose the image, then I convert to the PNG. Then it's loading. So as you can see, in few minutes our image has been converted into PNG. So we can download here. Then there are a lot of tools, as you can see. PDF converter tools, image to doc. If we talk about image to doc, so just I choose an image from my gallery. So if I choose this, so yeah, as you can see, I just convert here. Okay, it's a little bit loading. Yeah, as you can see, the doc file has been prepared and I just download it. And if I open this, so here you can see. So yeah, that's how it works, is very quickly and faster. And if we go into the blog, so let's visit the blog section, which 100% automatically is created by SiteToolPro Blog Builder module. So here we can see, if we click on the blog, then as you can see, the look like of the blog post is. That's amazing. Then if we come on to the ads manager listing and create an ad, so you can add different type of banner ads to different places on your site and monetize with affiliate marketing, or you can monetize with your AdSense and so much and so more. So let's see how the banner ads looking like. So as you can see, this is the banner, this is the affiliate banners. Then if we come on to the home, so as you can see, there are a lot of banners. Thanks for watching. This is the quick demo review about the SiteToolPro. I hope you like this video, and if you want to purchase this software, I have mentioned my purchasable link in the description box. You can check it out. And if you purchase the software through my link, I'll also provide you my premium bonuses. You can contact me on my Instagram handle with the invoice of the software, and I will provide you my special elite bonuses on my Instagram. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next video.